which slot you put it into.
Top one. The X16.
SSD drive, it's
There.
I was gonna say it's in the back, isn't it?
You can just see it saying Samsung in the back there. There. There's my SSD. There's my HDD. HD SSD even.
Hybrid.
Full case. Oh, this is going to be such a cable management nightmare. Oh. Okay. Graphics card.
I screwed mine under the tray, can't even see it. You've done such a botched job with your computer, with all the stuff you're saying. He screwed his SSD under the tray.
Yeah. Screw it at the bottom of that tray, tucks it down underneath. Okay. Well, let me tuck back in, Simon.
Can I finish my last slide?
So we're going to do here's the graphics card thing. I mentioned there's a appalling cable management job going on. Okay, well,
No heat in my case, it all gets exhausted.
here is my graphics card. 980 Ti, Asus Poseidon Platinum Edition. And if I open it up, there it is, inside the case. Comes in a fancy little windowed box, like most Asus top of the range shit does. It is the main advantage of this one is it gives you the option to water and air cool it straight out of the box. And if you run water cooling, custom water cooling, you can add it into your loop, and you'll still have them two huge fans on top cooling your power and memory modules. And here it is packaging. Nice little reflective bit on the foam there. Nice little plastic cover. I take the plastic cover off.
You can see the webcam there.
It's all getting piled up bits now. Nice foam. Take the foam off. Lovely little case. Yeah, it comes with a 6 to 8, dual 6 to a single 8-pin power splitter in case you don't have an 8-pin power. And we have the card itself is in the box very beautifully. Tidy some of this shit out my way for a second. Take out the, I left the screwdriver down there. This one will do. Take out the correct, what's it?
I was saying you need to take two out.
I do, I believe it's the top two. I believe. Wait a minute, I'll check first.
I hope you will water cool it.
I will do if I get a second one.
Ali's connected us a link to the Poseidon review.
Poseidon is really hard to get hold of an English video review of it. Trust me, I'm not doing. Graphics card is again very simple to install. We just take off all the protective covers, which is a little plastic sheet which goes over the pins here, and then we pull out the HDMI one, and we Slot this bad boy. 1 minute, 1 minute. Need to click the click.
Need a clickety click.
Yep. Slot this bad boy into place.
I'm not hearing a click.
It clicked, but it didn't slot in the bottom right. There we go.
You are going to use display port, I hope.
HDMI. It's thanks HDMI. Display port will be coming eventually. Fucker!
That is a really big screwdriver going on. Or use VGA adapter. Troll face.
Fucker! Don't do this if you have massive fingers.
Like JP.
I'd love it if my lovely assistant would get off his fucking arse and help.
You look like you're doing so well on your own though.
He's taking the piss, right?
Here, the best screwdriver fit for the job.
Fucker.
If anyone watches all these videos, can you count how many times he swears?
Make a tally chart. Watch him again. Make a tally chart and see how many times I swear in one fucking thing. Okay. The graphics card installed. Power needs to come through. So here. Make the second one. Get through, you bastard.
He's trying to help you in the way.
There we go. Plug him in, boy. We're getting
Are
somewhere.
you wanting this?
The little loopy bit towards the back. So you've got the main one will go in here. The little loopy one will go around and into there.
Fair enough. So.
Oh, we're getting somewhere. What we got here? Remove it and reset. What? The 2 pins are bastard. You are as well.
What?
I'm trying to put them in separately.
No, I was just trying to get it like lined up somewhat. So it's like I put it like that, so then pull it out and get it lined.
Right, let me get my hand in there. Keep your fingers. You've got bigger fingers than I do.
Yeah, doesn't really help.
Look, big fingers are not good for PC parts. We're in. What have you done with this cabling job here?
That's how you passed it to me. I helped him, he doesn't like it.
This is where the OCD comes in. And the cable managing starts.
The 2 pin has a lip, 2 pin has a lip, 2 pin has a lip.
I know the 2 pin has a lip.
We know.
Okay. Okay, Simon. Let me just check shit. We have fans all connected. Graphics cards powered, hard drives and SSDs powered, coolers powered. Cooler doesn't have the Corsair link cable in though. I don't think it needs it. I don't think so. If it does, I'm gonna have a little problem. But we'll be fine. We'll be fine. It'll do itself. It'll work.
Do you want to go in? Give it a test boot?
It's gonna have to turn on.
Well, what we'll do is, we'll swap places, because I'll plug it in there and you have the honour of pressing the power button.
I'll get the back on first, dude.
Even sticky shit on the floor.
Yeah.
Also, while he's doing this, to quickly say, there is one PC part that has not been shown on stream, and it's mainly an accessory. Mainboard 21 pin. It's connected.
It's a 24 pin, not a 21 pin.
Yeah. So yeah, the component hasn't been shown on stream yet. It is this. The wireless Asus card. Well, I say card. But yeah. 5G Wi-Fi. This thing is insane. 3 aerials for best possible connection. And just to quickly point out, this little stand here that the aerial connect into, it's magnetic. So just want to quickly show that. Won't unbox it on stream.
It will be going in shortly though. Once we know it boots, it'll then go in because we didn't test it with the card in, so we have no idea if that card will work or not. That's the one part we haven't tested. Actually, we haven't tested the fans and shit. That's the one thing we haven't tested.
What card?
That. No, we did. We put it in. Side panel. In the box. Put it safe.
I was going to say do a test boot with that off.
Okay.
You upgraded to Windows 10. It's already got Windows 10 on it.
Already Windows 10 on it, mate.
It doesn't have Windows 7. It's already got Windows 10.
Okay.
So before you press that power button, I'm going to angle this camera to see this in all its beautiful glory.
God, that's a fucking heavy thing now, like. Okay. Hopefully, this won't auto post. We've got lights. We have lights. But we have no spinning fans. This is good. It has not auto booted. Well, guys. It's kind of together.
Remember, the positives goes with the negatives.
You're gonna have to wish me luck here. We have a boot.
And it lights up beautifully.
We have a boot. Awesome. Now, side on and peripherals. And pulsing red LEDs. Oof. Give me a side panel.
You're all gathering it now basic. It's just going to get better.
Did all the fans turn on? Didn't check that. God, there's some bright LEDs. Last one.
What?
One fan from here, last thing.
Uh-oh.
The one fan that is not spinning.
Cut them LED lights out.
No. It's better. It looks so much better without the camera. The camera doesn't assist. Well, I can't put that on yet, can I?
Don't forget it's still filmed.
I know it's filmed on either side. I'm going to get the rear back off and figure out why that fan's not spinning.
We have encountered a problem.
This is why you check.
It's a lock tool.
Look, which fan is it? Oh, that's why. Plug that one in.
That's what I say, it's the one that's not connected by chance.
Yeah, that's why I haven't plugged it in. There we go.
Plugged it in?
Yep.
Turn on?
Huh?
Can you turn on by power? No, I'll give it a check.
There we go. It spins. Oh, the graphic cards won't spin in.
Yes. I feel that from them, yeah. Hey, Mega! It may not be a problem. Ah. Yes. Remove your back film.
I'll remove my films in a moment.
What happened? We had a slight problem, was all. It will have a 0 fan profile. They built a PC.
This has got to be the worst PC build known to man. It's just gone one problem after another the whole way through.
Everything works. It just needs a bit of cable managing.
Film.
Remove your back film. Begin your christening.
Oh!
Now we place that on. Because it cannot be christened with the film removed until it's put together.
Are we all on?
We're all in. What did they do or didn't do? What do you mean? There was nothing we didn't do.
I didn't plug a fan in, if that counts.
Yeah. Take off the plastic. We're going to, but that's the cold christening.
Ow. Okay.
I still see film. Yes, we're about to take it off in a moment. You don't take off the plastic. There goes the whole stuff. You don't take the plastic on a Windows side case until it's all built and all ready to go, and you know it's all going to work. 'Cause that's what you call christening your computer. If you look, the CPU is no more than 100 watts, and is using a 240mm rated with 4 fans, but the graphics card will burn 250 watts using it as heatsink. What's wrong with that?
That's because the CPU's getting overclocked.
Yeah.
That's why. CPU is
Because
getting
apparently the
overclocked.
H100 coolers are overkill.
Unless you overclock.
Lol, I've never heard of that. No, it's pretty much standard procedure. Removing the film is the last thing you do because christening it basically means you've built it.
Oh, I need those. Oh, it's just it works first time, doesn't have a bitch at me. Okay. Fuckers. Fucking tape!
You don't put a side window until everything works. It seems daft. I find mine is overkill. Yeah, you don't put on a side. You put on the side panel once you know everything works. And you don't remove the film until you're about to do your first full-time boot.
First full boot, because that's when you, once that's done and it's running.
That's literally christening your computer. Your computer's came to life now. This is yours. You've finished building it. It's ready to go.
Oh, here we have my mouse,
Call it nerd talking if you like.
which is a Corsair M65 mouse. Already been through that. Again with the black braided cable.
And I'm sure you're going to do a lot of weight adjusting on.
Probably. All the
I
way.
feel the weight of it in its own.
The weights are in there.
It's got a bit of weight to it, like. Yes, a very fancy looking mouse. Lol, I cut the blade off.
Oh. Could you remove film from that, please? Quite a fucking big sound.
Our keyboard.
Corsair M65 short keyboard, doesn't have the numpad on it.
Hey, flawless. Black braided cable reaches for knife. I missed it. Fuck my life. PC builds as a badass. Well,
This one's bad, not badass.
well, it's all going up on YouTube, as Basic said.
Amazing. I have a monitor. Oh dear, we're getting somewhere, guys.
After watching 2 hours of a radiation install, as we are still sane.
After watching 2 hours of a radiator install, we're still working out what the fuck we're doing with our lives.
You're going to miss the page up, as I miss mine. This is this that sweet Warframe? I have the same mouse. It's JP's PC. Yes.
That's an American cable.
Yeah, they give you everything with them.
Hold that, please.
They also have a little power supply, like a little one. Now with my monitors, they literally give you everything apart from HDMI cable. Like I got VGA, DVI, American cable, as English cable.
Instructions.
I got everything apart from flipping HDMI cable.
Could you see what's in the box, please?
Your American plug.
English plug.
Sorry, your English plug.
Shit. There it is.
You're moving the camera with your feet.
Sorry.
It's fine. Let's stick with this Warframe. What else? Crosshair Gaming M65 RGB. Oh god, no, he goes on a tongue twister. Do me a favour. Pass me the knife.
important stickers that mean nothing to me.
That graphics card seems overkill for this monitor.
It will be running 3 of them eventually.
Got a future planet.
We'll be running 3 of these monitors eventually. I bagged on the HDMI out, please.
What bag?
I bagged. Outside them boxes.
Huh. Microsoft metal bottle fell over. Right into your bag.
Nice. Just unbox the HDMI. It's just a fucking HDMI. I might let him borrow it for like half an hour and render this entire 4-hour video for YouTube in it.
Somehow, I doubt even that will do it in half an hour.
Not a full 3 hours.
3 hours? 4 hours?
Shut up. It's alright, because we'll be going for another break soon.
Break? We'll probably be ending. We're that close.
Yeah. Benchmarks and stuff, I guess.
We've already done them all. I was supposed to.
Yeah, do these people want to see benchmarks? If they want to see benchmarks, we'll do benchmarks. But if they don't want to see benchmarks, we shall not do benchmarks. It's up to them whether they want to see them or not.
Do me a favour, in the chat, type, press in it and then go up.
Oops.
Now, yeah, click enter. And there you go, on HDMI. I'm moving as I get past.
Okay.
Oh, she's monitors on.
Hey boys. Oh.
You need to remove the film.
Once it posts and I see it on that screen, I'll remove the film.
I'm still on stream. Yeah, this is extended. I'm building a PC.
There it is.
Look at that.
Oh no, it's bitching saying the overclock failed again. Even though it hasn't actually been overclocked. That's the RAM. Because we took the RAM back out, didn't we?
Showing you what's actually spinning.
We have case fan 1, case fan 2 and case fan 3 are all spinning away. CPU fan is not being picked up because it doesn't have a sensor cable on it because it's for that. There's no external fans or CPU optional fan. Awesome. Lamps. No AI tweaker.
Mega's counting down for the film remove. That board will post without RAM installed.
Now it should actually boot this time.
Yeah, so what people can say I've missed stuff. Watching GPU, blah blah blah, build specs. You got me beat, I have a 980, that's still good man, I have a 970, two 290s. Black Friday wasn't good to me. I was looking for a second 980 and didn't get it. That looks gorgeous. That blah blah blah. There we go.
Film is off, boys.
The gaming Voyager is done.
It's created.
And now I would love some way for the camera to actually be able to see the computer screen. Instead of being like, ah! I've got an idea. Turn off the light.
Now it's time for a couple of glamour shots. Look at it, boy. This is what we've just spent the last 4.5 hours doing. Oh. But on the upside, it's now done. Idle temps are 28 degrees on the processor, which is just ramped up the fans for. That's because I haven't got Corsair Link to put it in quiet mode. Do that another time. 26 on the GTX 980. That's idle temps sat there. This beautiful thing. That is what just over 2.5 grand's worth of money looks like.
So, oh yeah, I just had an orgasm. Wow, check CPU temp instantly. I am coming to Carlisle to
Ignore that awful cable management at the bottom. It will be adjusted.
I am coming to Carlisle to borrow that PC. GG, well played, God bless.
There's the screen on. Keyboards, mouse, and this beautiful piece of kit. We have H100i GTX, push-pull, 140mm rad there, 140mm fan, there's a rad, 120mm fan, there is two 140s in the front, and another one at the top there. It is a beautiful build that I have worked so fucking hard for. That is what it looks like to build a PC.
It's sexy, guys, if he can let me take the beast out for a date. I really hope you've all enjoyed being here for this stream of the building of the JP's PC, which we have named, because it's a mixture of Corsair and Asus, Republic of Gamers Asus mostly, because that's what we've nicked as this PC has been nicknamed. As you've seen the title and as we've been calling it all this time, it's nicknamed the Gaming Voyager. I hope you've already enjoyed this PC build. It is a beaut. We'll catch you later. Bye.
Just leave that there. Just play music and leave it there. Just look at it. Pulsing red LEDs everywhere. Bright white LEDs lighting up the case. The Wi-Fi is not in there, no. The Wi-Fi card will go in afterwards. For now, that'll probably go in when we do the cable management. But for now, good sirs, mums, ladies, gents, we're done. We're finally done.